Hey guys, Tank here. TF2 is finally getting some love and some new parts. So I got a whole bunch of parts for A&M Garage, but I'm also putting this is from a RC four-wheel drive. It's the Yota 22RE engine bay for the TF2 chassis. So this actually fits right in the truck. So I'm going to start painting this a couple different colors and all that. Here's all my colors. I use these because they are water-based, and it's easier to deal with and clean my paintbrush after. And there's a whole bunch of other parts that I have to paint. I don't think I will look at pictures of what the real engine looks like. I'm just going to wing it and paint it the color I like. Like the cover here, I'm going to paint it red. This probably going to be aluminum or silver. These intake going to be aluminum. These, I don't know. We'll wing it. And after I'm done, I'm going to try to weather it, or I'm kind of dirty it up a little bit because I don't want it to look new. The truck does not look new at all. So anyways, I'm going to start painting. So there we go. I'll paint it. Put some details on there. Different colors here and there. Probably not the right color for a real engine, but hey, it looks good. I want it to stand out more. I love the stickers, the small detail on the stickers. And I did paint some things like the cover of the electronic fuel injection, but I didn't paint the bottom just to make a contrast, make it different. I am going to look into getting small little tiny hoses to try to connect the radiator onto that, and actually try to connect the distributor cap also. That would be a cool option. So small little tiny details, but now I got to install it in the truck. There we go, all installed. And what's nice with it is I didn't have to remove my inner fenders that I've installed. These also came from RC four-wheel drive, and I installed them probably 5 or 6 years ago. And now I got my engine bay. My hood does not open, but I still have an engine bay, so it still counts as points. Thanks for watching, guys. And go charge up some batteries and go out there and have some fun and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Talk to you guys later. Cheers.